There's fireworks. I'm gonna go over here. Oh my god! Yes, I'm out in the very back. Oh, dang it. There's some over there, but you can't see that well. I'll come back over here. If they do any more. I need to go under a tree with the right shoes on. Fireworks over there, but I'm gonna stay here because there's some good fireworks going on here. I knew it. Once I walk away. I have my key in Graham's house. I'm not going out back. I'm in the very back. I'm trying to find good spots to get them. Couple more videos and pictures. I don't know if you saw that one, but sign might be in their way. They're all over tonight. Okay, they were doing some over there. We had some here. And you can tell that they're going away. I'll probably go that way, come that way. I'll get good video through that way. Okay, I'm going back to where I found the good looking ones. The ones that don't make much sound. I am outside, reporting for duty to catch some fireworks. Reporting to duty. Fireworks! Woo! This is gonna be a long, fantastic night. Some are over there. Some are over there. I'm gonna go get some down here. I'm gonna get wet, but it doesn't care. I'm gonna go get some fireworks. know if you can see that. But the light, those are the fireworks. They are neat. I'm outside reporting for duty, get some fireworks, but those are not as good as the ones over here. I'm looking. I took some good fireworks. This is a 7-minute video. 7-minute video. I mean videotape to get fireworks. That's called dedication. I'm outside in the rain. Oh geez, there's one go. See that red thingamajiggy? That's a firework. Hopefully it's gonna go off. There it is. See it? That's the firework. Woo! There's a lot that's going on. So right now that's going down, and some people are doing a lot more. I'm going to do a 10-minute video of it, and then I'm going to go in. Ooh! That was the end of that one. Let's go back over here and see what we see. Well, we see good fireworks going on over here, but I'm still waiting for that one. And I wanted some fireworks. I got my fireworks. Coleman's. This might be happening at Coleman's. I'm just waiting for the fireworks to go off. So I'm walking to my area. I can go in, go through the back. So I had a good experience with fireworks. Right? Ooh, ooh, ooh. So as you can see, right there, there's some fireworks going off. So I'm hoping there's more. That's not even a lot. Here's more coming over there. This is going on reporting to duty, showing some fireworks.